your hope starts running away. Baby, this is your song. No, it's not a slow song. Say anything just to make you smile. Baby, won't you stay a while? Spending all my time loving you, all my time loving you. Need a few more seconds in my day. Spending all my time loving you, all my time loving you. Every minute's running away from when I wake up. Thinking back to the feeling that I had when I first saw your face, I knew that it was you. Some time has passed, and the feelings that I had before still are the same. 'Cause you never changed, no. Even though I don't show it, girl, I just want you to know that even if we fight a million times over little things, we can still make it better. Tiny Temper, is she? Kelly Rowland, let's go. Invincible, 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 invincible. We're invincible. Yeah, they said we shouldn't. They said we wouldn't. Look where we are. We've done what they thought we couldn't. As bad as the odds were looking, push, you be kept on pushing. And every time I nearly hit the ground, you were my cushion. There's evidence that proves that you were heaven sent. 'Cause when I needed rescuing, you were there at my defense. Girl, in you I find a friend. You make me feel alive again. And I feel like the brightest star, 'cause you made me shine again. No matter where we are, no matter just how far our paths may lead, we don't need no shields, 'cause love is the armor that we need. We're invincible, invincible, invincible. Love's our protector. We're invincible, invincible, invincible. We're invincible. From the wildest water, to the highest mountain. If you had a choice, then what would you choose to do? I could live without money, I could live without the fame. And if every day was sunny, I could live without the rain. And if I ever went up to heaven, I would fall right back down. That life wouldn't be living, 'cause you're the one I couldn't live without. If I couldn't blink, would I still be able to see you? I couldn't imagine, without arms could I reach? No way could I ever hold you. Oh, I need these things like I need you. If you had a choice, what would you choose? I could live without money, I could live without the fame. And if every day was sunny, I could live without the rain. And if I ever went up to heaven, dream, would I believe that there could be a you and me? And if I couldn't sing, would you be able to hear my I need these things like I need you. Every day was sunny, I could live without the rain. And if I ever went up to heaven, I would fall